Okay, so I guess what's important to think about. I'm trying to think of a good way to phrase this. Okay, in this case, so that we had this 11, right? And basically, this 11 was being
Subtract.
added or subtracted basically to this negative 4x, right?
No.
So, and that's the way you can think of it, right? So we had this negative 11, or this positive 11, was basically being added to this negative 4x. So what mattered was sort of, this was like addition and subtraction, right, to the 4x. So what is happening between this negative 4 and this x?
What's happening?
Yeah, what operation is happening between this number and this number?
Oh, what operation?
Mm-hmm.
You mean it looked like subtraction, right?
So it's not being, if it was being subtracted, it might be like negative, it might be x minus
No, it's
4.
multiplying.
It's being multiplied, right? So what's the opposite of multiplication?
Divide.
Divide, yeah. So we want to divide here. So if we ever have a number...
Because the thing I get confused is now is like the variables.
Yeah.
That's the variable. We brought the 4x with the variable.
Mm-hmm.
So how do I, if I bring it down, the variable is still there.
The variable is still there, and it's still being multiplied by this negative 4. So
Okay.
you got... The same was true up here, right? We had this negative 4 times x.
Correct.
So I guess it's just kind of being able to see the difference between something like x minus 4 and negative 4 times x. These are saying different things. This is saying I'm subtracting x by 4. This is saying I'm multiplying x by negative 4.
Right.
So they require different things. In this case, you would add 4. In this case, you would divide by negative 4.
Okay.
So just realize, when you're at this step, when you only have x being multiplied by when you have some number with an x not being added or subtracted, like right next to it, so being multiplied, it doesn't matter. This negative doesn't signify a subtraction anymore. It just signifies that it's being multiplied by a negative 4.
Okay. I get it now.
Okay.